Good morning, TV fam. And it's ayan na naman. Muntik na naman tayo magsabi ng December. January 12. Yun. So, it's currently 9:15 in the morning. And magluluto tayo ng bacon kasi si Clark naghahanap ng bacon eh.
I'm here. I'm here.
Yes, you're there.
Yeah.
So, si Joyce bumili ng bacon. Western Family, yung brand. Pasensya na kayo, nakatayo pa ata ang buhok natin. Halatang kagigising lang eh. Anyway, luto tayo. Pag nagluluto tayo ng bacon, dapat walang oil. Diba nito, no? Bacon. So, pag linggo dito, considered talaga slow day. Alam niyo ba yung character na yon sa YouTube, Sprunky? Hindi ko alam, ba't biglang nakahiligan ng mga bata yan ngayon? Hindi ko naman mag-gets kung anong maganda sa kanila, anong entertaining. Alam mo yun, yung parang mga random figures lang siya na ginagawa siyang character. Medyo hindi natin gets. If familiar kayo doon, lalo na pag may bata kayo, share nyo naman dyan. Not yet, at 10. Share nyo naman kung ano yung nakita nyong attractive doon sa ganong klaseng show. Pag bumibili kayo ng bacon, anong preferred nyo? Yung thick cut? Kapareho ganito, makapal? Or thin cut? Update lang, no? Kahapon sinabi natin, if-full day natin yung ating pagfa-fast. And na-survive naman natin. So, yung unang meal natin kahapon was 6 p.m. Yun nga lang, talagang napagod kagad tayo. Parang ganun yung feeling. Yung parang gusto mong matulog. Kaya, kahapon, nakita nyo naman siguro sa video, nakatulog tayo. So, today, susubukan natin ulit mag-fast more than the regular. Imbis na lunch, papalampasin natin ng after lunch ang ating pagkain, and then hopefully maka-adjust na tayo at hindi kagad tayo mabilis napapagod at aantukin ngayong araw. Kasi nga maganda yung araw sa labas, oh. Ngayon lang yan na ulit lumabas. Sabi ko nga sa vlog natin kahapon at susulitin natin. Sana ngayon ay makalabas tayo. At least makapunta man lang tayo sa Steveston or for dinner mamayang gabi. So, tingnan natin kung saan naman magsasadya si Joyce kung saan tayo pupunta ngayong araw. Hello, TV fam!
Yes, nasa labas kami ngayon.
May araw.
Sa bahay.
Anyway, pupuntahan natin tong building na to kasi may open house. Yung building na yan, yan yun.
It's giving city life. Bakit ka natatawa sa
Paborito mo kasi yung city life eh. Sa sobrang pagka-city, napaka-busy ng daan.
Oo nga, ay yun lang. Pahirapan sa pagtawid.
So, andun na yung mga commercial complex.
Sana ito yung binibenta yung nasa baba. Hindi yung nasa taas.
Oh. Ayan, may sign ng open house sa labas. 8288. Oh, kahit anong complex, meron talagang mga nagnanakaw ng parcel. Ayan, oh. Meron na naman silang notice.
Hi.
Hello.
Called you? Open house?
Yes.
Two.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Would you mind we will be together? No, I don't mind. Okay, thank you.
Have been out of service for some time?
It was a couple of weeks ago.
Oh, okay.
A tenant on the 15th floor
Yeah.
accidentally damaged the sprinkler system. And it flooded the floors. And the caretakers, in order to take good care of the carpets, he just put all the plastics on each floor.
Okay.
So you can see that there are plastics.
Oh, shoes are okay?
So you only speak English.
Yes.
Yeah.
There are two or three bedrooms plus this open deck and
Open
three full
deck.
baths,
Okay.
two ensuite.
What was that? Is this the masters?
Yeah.
Parang same size ng Masters natin. Okay, original. Okay. Oh, automatic toilet. Medyo mataas lang yung shower, pero doable. Original, no? Original for the price. Living room. How's the balcony? Oh, yeah.
It's bigger.
Maliit lang yung balcony para mag-barbecue ka.
If you get information, then
Oh,
the
that's
floor
perfect.
plan is-
Thank you.
so much, Anne.
You're welcome.
And then, vacant lot.
Which could be another.
Yeah,
Actually, this is facing south.
yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's
Living
why
room.
the whole suite is corner unit, and it is bright all the time.
Is this
Oh.
a den? Another den?
Oh, that's a dining. Dining. Oh, you through and through.
The light is there. You can dig it. Another light.
All original appliances. Yeah, extra kitchen exhaust. Ref is also original.
Actually, I only see
How big is this?
not very.
Oh, not bad. Ito yung pala isang parking. Ito yung parking na isang slot. Yan. Isa sa mga unit na yan. Outdoor parking. Okay.
I don't get the layout, honestly.
Yeah, it's a bit complicated. Yeah,
And bias door.
that's the other room. So, tatlong bedrooms.
And dalawang open.
And dalawang open din.
So parang masters din to?
Yeah, it looks like an in-house unit. Meron siyang ensuite.
Wala na tong walk-in. So yun yung masters.
Hindi. Oh. Yeah. Pwede din kay mami to. Meron sila yung sariling CR. Yung dalawang bata lang.
Dun sa maliit.
Hindi, convert natin to
Into.
into a bedroom. Yung den na yan.
It's still close to the main door.
Yeah. I-enclose mo lang dito.
Ng what? It's gonna be smart if we later. Switch on room.
Wow. Si Switch nagkaroon ng kwarto. Ang galing talaga ng amo natin. No? Imbis na bata, ay yung aso ang inisip.
Para wala ka nang gagawin. Di ba na kailangan
Oh my goodness. Okay. Popcorn cine. Washer and dryer, hindi pa nakikita. Ito. Original washer dryer. Okay na tayo. Sa next na lang. Parang ako okay sa akin yung temperature doon. Puro salamin kasi.
Nainitan ako.
Nainitan
Winter na yan ah.
Nainitan yung kasama ko. So, ang price niya is how much? Nakalagay?
$998.
998. O, teka, tawid muna tayo. So, 998. Ilang square foot? Yung place?
1408 square.
1,400.
Built 1999.
Oh, 1999.
Tapos ano lang,
Ano-
first time in the market daw siya kasi it was passed on from the grandfather to the father to the son.
Iyo.
I don't know
Parang,
if that matters.
parang dasal na yun. The father to the father to the son.
Hindi ko gets yung layout niya. Tapos ang liit ng
Oo.
kitchen.
Pero, kung tutuusin, magreklamo ka pa ba kung halimbawa yun yung makuha mo?
Honestly, hindi ko siya babayaran ng 998.
Ah, bakit? Okay naman na yung flooring.
Overpriced siya.
Pero yung
Tapos
strata niya, how much?
500 plus.
Yung strata
Mahal.
niya, almost the same na ng strata namin. Eh, kasi it's a condo eh. Condo
Tsaka
apartment.
feeling ko may pool yan.
Tsaka may gym, I think.
Yeah, nakita ko nga. May gym sa Disney.
6th floor. Ilan total number of floors?
Hmm?
17, sabi mo, di ba?
Oo. Sa
Yeah.
elevator pa na.
So, total of 17 floors. Ang sabi nila,
On-site caretaker, sauna, and gym.
try to avoid daw yung mga
Master bed.
yung panggitna. Kung halimbawa 17 yon, ano yung half ng 17? 8. Kasi usually nandun daw yung break ng mga pipes. Usually doon nagkakaroon ng leak. So ito 6th floor.
If you like a lot of natural light, yan, okay siya. If you want
Yeah.
a separate room for your dog, yeah, sure.
Ayun. Talaga naman. Ay. And then punta tayo sa next location natin. Next venue. 10171. Yeah. So along siya ng number 1 road. Ayan. Number 1 road. Number 9. So doon sa loob. Okay.
Oh, my stairs.
Okay. Actually, maaga pa tayo. Pero subukan natin. Baka pwede nang pumasok. Oh. Okay. Ayan, yung cousin ni Joyce na nakatira. Neighbor. Anong pasukan? May tao na actually. Yeah, there's someone here already. Hello.
Oh, so this is the main door.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, this is
Okay.
very tiny screen. Is it? It's new, but it's obviously too big.
Oh.
This is how the original looks like.
Oh, yeah.
When my buyer got this new one, didn't
They
do the
replaced it?
investment correctly, so it's cut.
Then this one is utility. Okay.
So you're welcome to grab a picture sheet. I have those.
Oh, perfect. Let's take a look at the washroom.
So you're professional. You're gonna video everywhere you go. You not forget what I have seen.
Okay.
It's still-
So this is an electric
Yeah,
fireplace?
it's electric, fireplace. And it's like hot water radiant
Ah, okay.
throughout the house. You don't need to like even turn on the fireplace. It's also warm enough.
Okay.
You go to the Taylor Swift tour.
Sorry?
Like you go to the Taylor Swift tour.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Tour like in Toronto and here.
Oh, here.
Just like which night?
The first night.
Me too.
Oh,
Oh.
On like but very tall, the sofa.
Yeah.
My daughter was crying.
yeah. Everyone wanted to go to the Vancouver.
I have a line of about 2 hours to get that and hoodie.
Oh, okay. The lineup is pretty long. Yeah. Good floors. Office.
First bedroom.
Bedroom. Oh, okay. Double bed.
Yeah, this would work for the kids. Maganda kasi to para manito yung parang ano ni Kyle.
Ano? Kung saan siya nag-aaral. Yeah. Okay. More or less similar size.
Yeah, this could also work. I guess kung ano yung closer sa banyo dun si mommy at daddy.
So
Like
I think
that.
this is the master's.
Okay, the masters looks like a masters, which is good.
Yeah.
It's similar to
Walk-in.
yung Calgary natin na Airbnb yung layout. Magkatabi yung walk-in sa banyo.
Gusto ko itong material. Yung parang laminate. 4-piece?
One.
2-piece. Oh.
Hindi ko may bathtub that. Ay, hindi. So ano nga mo sa space
Yeah. Meron yan bathtub before. Soaker. Not bad. You put some drawers. Yan. Stand-up shower.
Okay.
Double sink. Uy, ang laki na ang tangkad ng sink. Pwede na rin.
Pwede na. Ito ka na inom.
Okay.
Ito parang A4. It's giving A4.
A4 vibe.
Yeah, your room.
Yeah.
Lagyan mo ng kutsyon.
So,
Ako!
yung village namin sa Muntinlupa, may mga ganyan kasi mga
Yung
bintana.
parang ano ba tawag dito? Ledge? Reading nook? Ewan, basta.
Hindi ko alam eh.
Kayo lang yung may gano'n yung bahay.
Ito yung common washroom. Pero at least it's tiled madulas to. Medyo madulas. Madulas to pagka nababasa. Not bad.
Yeah, I'm liking it. So,
I'm liking it. Parang meron na talaga siyang pambayad.
another room for
Second floor pa talaga. Yeah, but Ako gusto ko to dahil may kapitbahay kami, pinsan niya. Pinsan ni Joyce. Doon lang, as in one house away. Or one house in between. Yan. Tignan natin yung yung may garden. Kung may garden ba siya sa
Hindi,
likod.
nakita ko na. Wala.
Ano nakita mo? Wala?
At least 2 floors lang.
Yeah. Kaya ako tinatawanan ako ni Joyce kasi dandahan ako bumababa.
Diyos ko.
Dahil ang Achilles natin, ingat-ingat.
How do you like it?
It's good. Yeah.
It's in good condition.
Yeah, when we done in 2017,
Okay.
all the flooring, countertop, like kitchen, bathroom, you can tell it.
Yeah.
There. Ah.
Not the biggest, but
Pwede na.
I'm okay. At least you have more space.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Lagyan mo na lang parang screen ko.
Yeah.
Tapos may access pa rin from the labas.
Pero since corner to, at ito kasama dun sa likod. That's the time. Okay. Oh, this is gas.
Did you
Yes,
get
go.
this?
Yeah. You like to cook? This is it's good. Yeah.
Do they have like a carburetor
I don't
installed?
see it. They must have removed it like.
Oh yeah, they removed it. Dishwasher. All right. Thank you so much.
Thanks for coming.
Okay.
Ano to?
Access din from the labas. Bago yung main door. Kung gusto mo diretso sa garage. Ito yung parang pinaka gusto ko dito. Side by side garage. And tapos nandito yung mga yung mga hot water tank. Tama. I'm liking the vibe din. Yan. Ang tanong is marami kayang mag-o-offer. Dyan na.
This is the retired.
Plotted na yan. Ayun, pati yung corner na yan, kasama yan dun sa property.
Offer mo na to?
Wow! Sabi niya, offer na kagad kahit na hindi mo pa nabibenta unit. Pwede bang benta mo yung unit plus cash? This is yours plus cash. Hindi mo pwede yun? Meron kayo gumagawa nun dito sa Canada. Yung tipong parang pwede mo isama yung unit mo plus cash, yun na yung pambayad mo.
Safe ba to ba nito? Anyone can just go inside.
Yeah,
no?
marami naman. Lahat ng units dito, ganun lang ang...
Yeah, so it's kind of open to the public.
Yeah. But we're at the back. Hindi ka naman nasa facing front. So,
Swifty.
Swifty. Kaya nabenta na kagad kay Joyce eh. So, ito is 999,900. Ay, 999,900. Ang profile niya, 3 bedroom, 3 bathroom, 2 full bathroom, tsaka isang half bath yung nasa baba. Yung tax niya is 3,876.90. Yung size is good, 1,483.
Yeah, I like the size.
Ayan.
How much is the strata fee? I mean the
Oo nga, hindi ko nakita. 376.66.
for gardening and management.
Per
Property
month.
management.
Pwede na, pwede na. Sige.
So far, ito first choice.
Tingin naman tayo sa next. Third location. 2-car garage.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
This is like the
August lock.
Yeah, this is east. Oh, east. Yeah, this is north. North, east, south.
Powder?
yeah, and the jacket.
Closet. Tingnan natin yung powder room. Oh, not bad. Parang may leak. Naririnig ko yung tubig. Kitchen. Dishwasher.
This is
Frigidaire.
1,167 square feet.
Okay. Okay, walang na-reach lang carburetor.
Snow removal, Strata will do it. Strata will do it. Yeah, Strata will take care of it.
1,167.
Medyo maliit yung living space. Yeah. Kasi 1,100 square feet lang eh. Carpet yung second floor. Gusto ko, yung carpet kailangan palitin. Master's bedroom. Okay. Okay, master washroom. Bathtub. Babe, magkano to? Magkano to sa listing?
1,048,000.
1,048,000. Mas maliit, mas mahal. Common washroom, bathtub. It looks small lang dahil may table kasi. Pero pag tinanggal mo yan, pwede double dito. As in bed lang.
Okay.
Yeah.
Even this one's bigger.
Oh yeah. Mas mahaba. Yan. Pero mahal siya for the
Yeah, I'm not impressed.
space.
So it's even smaller than ours.
Pero yung ceiling niya, it's 9 feet.
Yeah.
High ceiling.
I like
Tapos yung washer and dryer. Yan, yun ang washer and dryer.
Do you have any questions?
Is there like a backyard?
Yeah, so there's actually a front yard.
Oh, front yard. Okay.
Yeah, because the back is the
Okay. So
Alright.
this is like the dining area.
Yeah, so my clients, they previously had a couch going like this, facing the TV.
Oh, okay. So like
Yeah.
a sectional.
And then-
Exactly, like a sectional with a coffee table and an area rug, and they had a 6-person
Dining.
Dining table here?
Table here. Yeah.
All good. Wala. Hindi pasado?
Hindi. Wala nga room si Switch eh. Joke lang.
Talagang hinahanap is room para sa aso eh.
Hindi naman room. Basta parang may area lang for her. For him.
Sige. Off to the next property. Last unit. Actually, meron kaming dalawa na in-skip kasi nga ang hirap mag-park. Pagka ganun, ibig sabihin it's not meant. Saan punta?
Ano number 2? Ako na yun.
May hinahanap atang ibang open house.
Nandun ako dinadala, babe. Baka meron din.
Ish. So ito, isa sa mga unit dyan. Ito yung parang complex niya. Konti lang yung available na visitor parking. So, although pwede mag-park sa labas along number 4 road. Kung mag-housewarming ka, magpa-party ka, yan. Ito, number 2. Ito siya. Is it the same? Yeah.
Is it this one?
Yeah, number 2. The garden? Okay. Oh, 2-car garage.
You access the garden from here.
From here. Oh, I see. Yan, meron kang sariling garden. Built-in AC.
Oh, there's an outside access.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yan, pwede kang mag-barbecue. Hot water? Is it- No hot water tank?
Not in this hour, it's upstairs.
Oh, it's upstairs? Okay. This is powder room. Oh, okay. Okay, kitchen. Yeah. So the owner doesn't live here anymore?
No, it's been here.
For how long?
I don't know.
Okay, it's been a while. 2 flights of stairs. Yeah, may washroom. Sad. Ito yung master's bedroom. Medyo tight. This is the ensuite.
Oh, it's 1,147.
Yeah, that's why. Ito yung common bathroom. Medyo maliit. 1,100 square feet lang kasi siya eh.
140.
How much is it?
999.
999,000. Ito ba yung may 900 pa?
Wala.
Wala.
Yun yung number 1.
Whoa! This is really small.
Single bed nursing.
Pwede ito double kaso sobrang sikip lang. Okay, that's it. How is it?
Okay. Wala. Kailangan talaga makausap sa iyo.
And that concludes our house hunting for today. Tapusin na natin yung vlog natin for today. Kung hindi pa kayo subscriber ng ating munting channel, click the subscribe button, yung notification bell, and comment down below kung ano yung tingin nyo na nagustuhan nyo doon sa mga pinakita namin sa video na to. Again, thank you so much for watching. Kita tayo ulit sa next video. Bye!
City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine, how I love.